Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content just like this. Today, we're taking a closer look at Paymium, a prominent European platform specializing in Bitcoin and other digital assets. Navigating to their website at paymium.com, you'll discover a gateway to the world of cryptocurrencies. Paymium provides a range of services, making it a versatile option for both newcomers and seasoned traders. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, Paymium offers a secure and regulated environment for your transactions. They emphasize regulatory compliance and security, providing users with peace of mind in the often volatile cryptocurrency market. Paymium appears to offer a comprehensive platform for managing your digital assets, from basic buying and selling to more advanced trading strategies. The platform likely offers a user-friendly interface, designed to be accessible to individuals with varying levels of technical expertise. For those new to the world of cryptocurrency, Paymium likely provides educational resources and support to guide them through the process. Experienced traders may be drawn to the platform's advanced features, including charting tools and order types. Further exploration of their website will likely reveal specific details regarding transaction fees, supported cryptocurrencies, and available account types. Security measures, such as two-factor authentication, are likely implemented to safeguard user accounts and funds. In addition to their trading platform, Paymium may also offer other services such as custodial solutions or institutional-grade trading options. Overall, a visit to paymium.com suggests a robust and reliable platform for engaging with the cryptocurrency market. Before making any investment decisions, however, it's always recommended to conduct your own thorough research and due diligence. Remember to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.